I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty with your Maryland Market Minute. It's Friday, June 26, 2020. Buyer showings have returned to where they were this time last year, with last weekend exceeding both last year and showings to date this year. Mortgage interest rates dipped under 3% last week, prompting some buyers to get off the fence. Mortgage applications rose to the highest level in 11 years. Inventory, on the other hand, is at an all-time low. However, a recent Bright survey shows 77% of sellers are planning to list when COVID restrictions are fully lifted. Data shows that 58.7% of American homeowners have at least 60% equity, and 42.1% of homes are owned outright with no mortgages. Meanwhile, 968 sellers have listed as coming soon since last week's report. 1,569 listings were added as new actives. 917 homes went under contract. 1,455 have moved from under contract to pending. And 1,449 homes closed since last Friday. The temp-off properties rose to 1,672 from last week. And if you are thinking about selling, we are currently representing a number of well-qualified buyers who are ready to buy. Give me a call to discuss your equity position and how we can help you. That's your Maryland Market Minute for Friday, June 26, 2020. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share to get all the updates regarding the Maryland real estate market. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your weekend, and I will see you next Friday. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty with Maryland Market Minute. It's Friday, June 26th. That sounds